Hi everyone, welcome back to Phemex. Today, we're going to show you how to margin trade on our platform. Let's get started. First, register or make sure you're logged into your Phemex account. In order to margin trade, you must first enable the feature. Visit your Assets Overview page and go to your margin trading account. Click the button, Enable Margin Trading. After clicking, you will be led to the margin trading interface with a pop-up service agreement. Read the agreement carefully, and if you wish to proceed, click Agree and enable margin trading. Now you're ready to start. To margin trade, you must fund your margin trading account with collateral. You can do so by transferring assets from your other accounts, such as Spot Wallet, to your margin trading account. Note that only certain assets can be used as collateral for margin trading, and you can check the list of assets on the margin data page. After there's collateral in your margin trading account, you can now trade on margin by borrowing funds. There are two ways to borrow. You can do so manually by clicking Borrow on the trading interface, entering the amount you like to borrow, and clicking Confirm. The second borrowing option is to auto borrow. To do this, click the Auto Borrow tab under the order type. The available balance shown includes your margin trading account balance as well as the maximum amount you can borrow. Now if you click to Margin Buy an Order, the system will automatically borrow the amount that your order needs. Please note your max borrow amount. The margin account net value corresponds to the coin's collateral coefficient found at the bottom of the margin data page. Interest is calculated hourly. Once an order with borrowing is placed successfully, 1 hour interest will be calculated immediately. For more details, please check the user guide. There are two ways to repay your margin trading loans. The first is to do so manually by clicking Repay on the trading interface, inputting the repayment amount, and clicking Confirm. The second repayment option is Auto Repay. To do this, click the Auto Repay tab under the order type. Now if you place the order, then the system will automatically repay some or all of your loans based on actual order value. Note that all repayment will first pay off the interest, then the principal. When margin trading, please also note the margin level and risk control. The risk level is calculated based on all the assets and liabilities in your margin trading account. If the margin level of your margin trading account reaches 1.3, a margin call will be triggered. If the margin level reaches 1.1, the liquidation engine will take over your positions. You can check your margin level in two ways. Refer to the lower corner of your margin trading page or check your margin account. Margin trading on Phemex is cross-margin, so you can trade all the supported margin trading pairs with your margin trading account. Note that this also means when liquidation occurs, all assets in your margin trading account may be liquidated. Phemex margin trading allows for partial liquidation, meaning if during the liquidation process your margin level returns to a safe level, then liquidation will stop and you are able to maintain the remaining position. And that's it, congrats! You are now officially a margin trader. Make sure to check out Phemex user guides for more tutorials on how to use our services.